a great choice today with the 2017 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.